mint okra split mung beans rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the okra recipes and one of the most different of the mint recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes and one of the most different of the mung beans recipes. Today we are going to make mint okra split mung beans rice. 100 to 150 grams of split mung beans soaked in water for around 15 minutes to half an hour. The ingredients are around 150 grams of okra cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 to 3 green chillies, and around 100 grams of mint leaves. We've taken fresh mint leaves and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Thoroughly salt. Now let the shallots fry for some time. Now put in the garlic, salt, the shallots. Put in the ginger, salt, the ginger and garlic together. salt, and the rest of the mix. Salt. Now put in the okra pieces. Salt, okra, the rest of the mixture. Now put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in the mint leaves and the tomato pieces, the green chillies, salt, powder, put in the sweet mung beans, mix, thoroughly, keep on sauteing. Now put 200 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required time, add a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this rice cook for 10 to 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. This now the okra split mung beans rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mint okra split mung beans rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the okra recipes and one of the most unique of the mint recipes and one of the most different of the mung beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.